Alright, good morning everyone. As promised, I will spend almost entire July doing live testing on 3 strategies. If you've been following my videos, you know that I've been working on my own strategy, which I developed. Hedging strategy and strategy called Teams strategy. And so I spent the weekend analyzing my own strategy. I still haven't got to the hedging and Teams strategy. So I've done the statistics on my strategy. The results are pretty good and pretty interesting. That will come out on another video. So for now, I'm going to be doing some live trading. As I promised, from today, we're going to be trading live. I just want to show you that I'm going to start trading with my live account. Currently have down here, you can see $1,568 and some change. And I'm going to be doing 1% of accounts and just keep it 1% until we reach a good amount. So let's go with the analysis today, see what we have. So strong wick, strong bullish candle. I'm gonna enter here for a buy, 0.01 lot. That's where we start our trading, which is about $19 here. So we're in a trade USD/JPY for 0.01 lot. I expect this to continue up. Let's move on to the next pair, USD CAD. Already marked that. Also expect this to continue up. I'm gonna adjust it just where it is now and enter here at the market. Do 1-to-1 USD CHF. We had a pause up here for a second time. Strong move, pause. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a pending sell just below here. Wick above there and 1-to-1. I like it around here, so just narrow this down a bit. So I'll put this on pending. Now if it doesn't execute today, I'll take it off. So this is showing a strong rejection at the top. Should have a good momentum down, but we'll see. That's USD/CHF. This one's pretty simple. Strong bearish candle close, and we simply go at the market. The New Zealand, strong push down, is pulling back, might be reacting to this zone. Likelihood of a break, but there's also a chance of a bounce. So we'll stay away from this. UD CAD, enter a sell right here. Price there. Stop loss above 1-to-1 just before this zone down here. AUD USD was a win on the Friday during testing. Now today we also follow this down back to these levels. Enter here, another 0.01 lots. AUD JPY, I'm gonna enter a buy here. I've also added few things to my current strategy because I did some analysis on the weekend, came up with more potential edge. One of them is weak rejection like this, has a specific criteria, but I'll show you my entries for that as well. This is a buy. New Zealand CAD, we got rejected down here already, might have followed through, but it also might have a bounce. Yeah, we'll leave this be. New Zealand CHF is making lower, higher lows. This could be looking like pushing into this zone, but definitely this candle is not giving me a good entry. Either way, we'll leave this be. New Zealand USD, this is a good entry. Strong candle, weak rejection at this zone, made a lower high, so you could expect with a higher likelihood a follow through down potentially. So I'm gonna sell this at the market again for 0.01 lot. New Zealand JPY, a strong rejection of this level back to these highs, which seems to be holding. I would like to buy this actually based on this rejection and this bullish candle. I'm gonna place a buy where it is right now and profit before these highs. That would put stop loss about here. Euro, pound, nothing to do here. Leave it be. Euro CHF, that's interesting. It's already pulled back this much. Can this be the follow through up? There's also a zone about here. It's already moved out quite a bit. Normally I would enter on this bullish close, strong bullish close up, but the trend is looking down. So I'll refrain from entering on this pair. Euro yen. This is what I call a flipped candle. So a candle of nearly the same size flipped. And I've realized in the past month that entering for a follow through of a flip candle is never a good idea. So we leave this be. Euro AUD, strong push through, closed above everything else. I would expect this to follow through. I don't know how far, maybe just above here. I don't want to put this too high up. Prefer closer to lows here. That would set 121 about there. So enter a buy, 0.01 lots, Euro AUD. This one looks like it's creating some sort of a trend. Yeah, I don't see any entries here based on my strategy. Euro New Zealand. Touche. Sorry, they kind of gone up. I would have liked to buy here at the close of previous one. Yeah, what the heck. Let's just buy where it is. I want to take profit before hit that high. So we go with something like this. So buy on Euro New Zealand. Not the best place to buy. I would have liked it further down here, but well, I came to the charts a bit late because of broker issues. And that just tells you when you trade live, many things can go wrong. Expect all the unexpected. Euro CAD flipped, nothing here. Probably reacted to this level, but I'm not entering on this because it's a downtrend. Might push back through. Pound JPY, again flipped, so we don't enter. Pound AUD. Okay, so that's a zone. There is another zone up here, likely to bounce. I'm not gonna be buying into this zone. Pound USD. Don't like the look of this. Looks like it's creating a downtrend. So the next candle might be down, but if I'd entered based on this bear candle, momentum bear candle, yeah, that'd be fun. But this is now pulled back, so it doesn't really suit my strategy. Pound CAD flipped again, so one down, back up, flipped, and anything can happen here. Pound CHF, I like this for a buy, even though it's moved a little bit. I would want to take profits at about this location, but I want to put my stop loss down here, so which means 1-to-1 would be a little bit further into this zone. I'm not sure one candle reach. Okay, we gotta sacrifice something here if we're gonna enter this trade. If this continues up, we're good. If this shoots back down, leave a wick, and we're gonna lose this trade. It is what it is. Seize all the opportunities. 0.01 lots, pound CHF. Oh, what a mess. I really don't like this pair. Flipped again, nothing. Leave it be. CAD CHF. Gonna move this out of the way. Yeah, I don't know. Leave it be. CAD JPY hasn't really reacted to this zone, so there's no point having it here. It's more like it's calmed down or maybe to these lows about here. Strong rejection with a strong body. I think I'll buy this up with these highs fully. At least try to reach it the week or something. 0.01 lots by the market. CAD JPY. CHF JPY, similar situation, but I'm not buying this one. That's a flipped candle, kind of. It's definitely bounced down here. Yeah, I don't know this one. Leave it be. Alright, thanks guys. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted. Till next time. See ya.